In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a distinct count of unique values in Excel. If you've ever needed a quick way to see how many different items appear in a list, like the number of unique customer IDs, product names, or regions, this method is fast, reliable, and updates automatically when your data changes. We're going to use a simple formula that combines two built-in functions, so there's no need for extra tools or manual cleanup. First, click the cell where you want the result to appear. Pick a blank cell that won't conflict with your data. It can be on the same sheet as your list or on a summary sheet. Just make sure you know exactly which range of cells you want to analyze. If your list has a header, plan to select only the data below that header to avoid counting it as a unique item. Next, type the formula. Start with an equal sign, then COUNTA, open parenthesis, then unique, open parenthesis again. Now select the range that contains the values you want to evaluate. For example, you might select A2 through A200. When your range is highlighted, close the unique parenthesis, then close the COUNTA parenthesis. Altogether, it will look like equals COUNTA, open parenthesis, unique, open parenthesis, your range, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This structure works because unique returns a list of distinct values from your range, and COUNTA counts how many entries are in that list. Press Enter to confirm. Excel will instantly display the number of distinct values found in your selected range. The best part is that this result is dynamic. If you add, remove, or change items in the source range, the count updates automatically. You don't need any special keystrokes, just a normal enter, because Excel handles the formula as a dynamic array behind the scenes. A few helpful notes as you use this. COUNTA counts non-blank entries, so if your list includes empty cells, they won't be included in the final number. That's usually what you want in a distinct count. If you're seeing unexpected results, double-check that you didn't include a header in your range and be mindful of stray spaces in your data, as Apple and Applewhite are considered different. Also, the unique function is available in modern versions of Excel, including Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021, or later. If you don't see it, your version may not support dynamic array functions. And that's it. Click the destination cell, enter COUNTA with unique around your data range, and press Enter to get a clean, always up-to-date distinct count.